Okay guys, in this video we're going to talk about operations of vectors, which involve we have summation, subtraction and scalar multiplication, and of course more after this on multiplication, which is product of two vectors. Okay, so first let's look at the operations of by summation, by subtraction and scalar multiplication, which is by right quite simple, where you just when you encounter, let's say, with two vector and they want you to multiply it, no, they want you to sum it or subtract it, just simply do it by by summing or subtracting each individual component of x, y and z if they are three dimension, right? So as you can see here, vector a plus vector b, right, is also the same as x for a plus x for b, y for a plus y for b, and z for a plus z for b. Right, so the same goes for subtraction, right? You're going to subtract it individually. As for scalar multiplication, when you have k, which is any numbers, when we multiply it with vector, it means that you're going to need to multiply to each individual component of the vector. Okay, we are not going to discuss further on this. You can try to do it by your own. In the next part, we are going to talk on product of two vectors, which is more important, right? Because this is going to be used later in application. Okay, just a brief introduction on that. When we say product of two vectors, we are actually multiplying the two vectors. However, there are two kinds of product in vectors. We have dot product and we have cross product, right? Cross product. So these two multiplication will give us a different answer and will serve as a different purpose. Okay, so let's talk more about that in our next video. Thank you.